My friend, Arcis 2.live is now ready. Full AI trading and analytics platform. In this video, I'm going to go over the new platform, the new interface, the chartings, the AI scanners, macro trade plans. One platform has every single thing a trader needs. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So this is the new platform, completely updated. Been spending the last 3 or 4 weeks building out the platform, and let's get into the cool stuff. So completely new interface. We have down the left hand panel here, we have the dashboard, the signals, the demo, the coach tab, the new macro platform. We'll go over that in this video. We will go over the journal, performance tracking, and coming soon, which will be the algo builder. So you'll be able to build your own algos on the platform for automated trading using AI. Signals that the platform generate. We have the original swing, day, and scalp, and we also have, which I'll show you on the charts in a minute, the AI live scanner. So it's constantly scanning the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily timeframes, and coming up with setups across those timeframes. Obviously, you don't take them all. You choose a time frame that you want to trade, and it will time frame and quality of setup, and then it will be able to auto trade to either the built-in demo account on the platform, the built-in prop account, or connect it to your live trading account. And there will be broker integrations coming very, very soon. We have my built-in strategies, which are the Arcis weekly and the Arcis daily. And these are the ones that I use daily and weekly. Very good setups. You just select auto and they get copied directly into your either the demo account here. You'll have the prop simulator, so you'll be able to simulate prop firm accounts. You'll have the MT5 live account connection if you're on the elite tier. And again, prop firm simulator. Pick your account size, your rule settings, what kind of prop firm you want to mimic. You can have your custom here, E8 funding, Top Step, Fivers, My Forex funds, and then that will create a prop firm account for you, and you can just demo in a simulated environment to see if you can pass the challenge. If you do pass the challenge, let's just say we start an FTMO 100K, go like this. At the end of every challenge, you hit AI analyze, and it will analyze your performance and see if you're ready to go on to a real prop firm account or not. So very, very cool feature. Heading over to the charts. So down the bottom here on the front interface, we now have total market strength. We have the fee score. We have currency strength. So this is an average across all the time frames and gives you the strongest to the weakest currency. It's also up here above the charts. And we have COT positioning. When we go into the macro data, it's got all the charts there, but we'll go over that in more when we're at that section. Now we're going to open the charts. So over here we have AI Live, and three types of AI scanners, all scanning different things and different strategies and different systems. The Deep AI Analyzer is here. So if we hit that AI Deep Analyze or British Pound JPY, it's analyzing the 4 hour, daily, and the 1 hour time frames. So it's a multi-time frame approach. So that comes up when you have your prop firm account open. Dun, dun, dun. Just let that, because it's run the deep analyst. Just have to give it a few seconds to come up on the platform. There we go. See, it's analyzing all the things. Most of the time it won't come up for a setup. Use other things. It's more for the analyst that you want it for. You clear the chart and we can go like that. Now we have AI Live. So AI Live, when we put it on, it comes up, it scans the chart, scans the structure, comes up with trade setups. You see bearish trend and a pullback. It says it's likely to come down to here, gives you a setup, and confluence score 80%. You can select sell limit. If you've got auto trader on up here, they will always auto trade, but I'll go over the signals settings in a minute for that. We have the drawn tools on the left hand side here. These will get better as I'm making the charts better. Here we have the buy and sell. So if you want to automate your execution, you can select your settings in here. Find settings in here. Select save preset, and that means anytime you hit buy or sell, it instantly executes with your presets. So you can have TP1 targets, TP3. They are all in R multiples. Same as the stop loss. You can have a fixed price or an R multiple. You can have a fixed lot size or a percentage, and we have the stop types or entry types, market, limit, and stop. You can select which account you want it to go to. So that's something I have to change to make sure that's changed to black. So we have demo, prop, and MT live. So demo is the built-in demo account. Prop is your prop sim. And then if you've got your MT5 account connected with your broker, again, broker integrations will be coming very, very soon, where you'll be able to connect directly to your broker via the platform. So that's something I'm working on at the minute. When you turn AI live off, that all goes. This orange box, this red box stays here because there's a sell limit. The AT live, that trade that stays. The auto trade section is here, so you can select your auto trade settings here. Select auto trade on, what account you want it to go to, demo, prop, or MT5 live, and auto manage open positions, which is trailing stop losses, trailing positions, moving stop loss to break even, taking partial profits, certain levels. So you can just program that to how you want to trade. You can turn auto trade off there. Select that. We have down here, we have currency strength. We have the fee score platform, dashboard, sorry. We have multi-charts, so if you want to have multiple charts, 4, go back to 1. If you want to detach, you can detach the charts. If you want more charts, that will detach for you. You can change the chart settings here. You want to change the color. You want to change the color of the candles. Different candle types. You have open, high, low, close, line, background difference, custom color, grids, show the watermark, all the way down to terminal settings. Different chart themes. For that, we have execution. Again, this is just for same as over here, just another one of them. We have chat, where you can speak to the AI chart analyst. It's programmed for everything that's built into the platform. Program technical analysts, entry orders, risk management. So you can, if you've got a problem, you just chat to it. It will help you, and it brings up the idea in the chart that's currently on. We'll tell you what's going on with the charts, what level you should watch, where should you buy. Really cool feature. We have the position box down here, so we can select demo, live, or prop. If we go over to positions here in live, you can see some of the AI live positions that have been taken today. Order window will be the limit orders. You can see I've got today's weekly setups in the platform. History, performance, and then you can switch your account. So up there to close that is up there. Another cool feature is the time travel. So what AI will do, it will run a deep analysis of the chart, take a screenshot of it, and then predict the future. So there we go. The send it'll pull back and then move down. It's telling me what's going on here. The 4 hour and 15 candles. So you can alter that. I'll show you in a second. So it's predicting the future. Now, it's not 100%. What it actually does with all the AI live, all the deep analysts, all the time travel pattern recognition things, they record everything in the back end performance, and over time it gets better and better and smarter. So it's machine learning over time. So the more patterns, the more setups that the platform produces, that the AI live produces, it gets better and smarter. So we can turn that off there. Another cool tool we have is the AI detect. So you can hover over candles and it will tell you exactly what's going on. Now this is work in progress, it needs to get smarter, but it's a really cool feature, but that has still fine tuning that. It will get better over time. Turn that off. And here we have indicators, so levels and zones. We have weekly support and resistance, daily, previous day highs and lows. Just select that and marks them on the chart. We have different chart patterns. If you wanted to look for chart patterns, structure and smart money, order blocks, supply and demand, fair value gaps. Everything's in there for the AI live scanner. So you can program it for low detection sensitivity. That will give a lot more setups, but not as good. Medium, or you can select high. So it's only scanning for the best setups and filters. You have the AI deep analyst section here, and that's when you run this deep analyze button. It is basically reading the charts for all these kind of different structures. Now you can just program this for what you want it to look for, and it's recommended not having all these ticked. Use it for a strategy like support resistance with entry signal or a pattern, and it will come up for setups for you. So cool feature there. We have the build custom indicator, so you can program your own indicator into the platform. You just basically tell the AI in plain English what you want, upload images of maybe an indicator you have on another platform, and it will build the indicator out for you. Preset templates are here. Now, AI scanner, this is what you see here, this pattern projection, small pattern projections, not time travel. I turn that off as I like to use time travel or AI live. This is the pattern hover that I showed you in a minute. AI detect, sorry, I showed you a minute ago. We have AI live lookbacks, so that's how far AI live is looking back in history to come up with setups. So you can, if you want to look for a bigger structural play, you can go right up to 50. 1 or 2, 3 candles back, you can look around 3 or 5. 3, 5 or 10 are probably the best settings. You also have structure here. Sorry, custom. Down here we have detection mode. If you wanted just to look for candles or structure or both. So recommended having both. Time projection, that's what I just showed you a minute ago. Then the different kind of structure levels that you can look for. You can look at entry signals here. Again, as the platform evolves, there'll be more things added to it. For now, it's as it is. We close that. We can change to white up here. Then we go out of that. So that's the charts. We select that up. Seems the AI analyst is saying bearish. Gives your entry and signals there. Macro news is here. We have, I've already showed you the demo. Now the signals. So normal signals tab, we have daily swings, scans once a day. Day setups are really session trades. So Asian session, European session, and US session gives you setups. You can select a setup. You can check the signal like that. Ask AI to check the signal. If it comes up signal valid, it's good. You can simply if you want to just execute straight to your demo or your live account, you can just say place buy stop. Go with oil, check setup, signal valid, British pound. See, so I'll come up with a warning. the signal is weakening. Comes up, you run the check signal, comes up with a weakening, and yeah. Select your type here, how many signals, quality over 80. We have scalp setups here, 12 scalps. You just pick one here, again, check signal, weakening. The scalps run every single hour. So you're telling me down here just a basic card setup. Just close the signals. AI coach. Now this is the AI coach. You can talk to it. It's programmed for trading psychology, risk management, technical analysis, just anything to do with trading. It's programmed to answer those questions specifically. So explain one of the trading signals. Everything is there for you. Now over to the macro dashboard. So position traders, people who want to trade long term and want to actually understand what's going on in the bigger picture. This is the platform for you. So I'll go over the macro ideas in a minute. We have the major central bank interest rate decisions. We have the central bank, so it's tracking the central bank's decision making, meetings, everything, and putting everything in here. It's telling you here JPY are tightening, US is pivoting, Euro is easing, Pound is easing, Swiss franc is easing. So just a breakdown of the central banks. We have the economics. So this is all the major indicators for every country. And just scores them there as the US, Aussie, JPY. The macro divergence scanner. So it's telling which ones are bullish, which ones are bearish. We have the PMI heat map across all the different types of different currencies. We have rate for CPI comparison, inflation first rate, real rate matrix, central bank decision. So this is just meetings that are coming up. Smart money flow, COT positioning, and indicator trend. Next is the COT. So this is COT. This updates weekly. The last 3 year net positioning, currency positioning. So 70 USD is strong, JPY is weak. Here is COT divergence indicators telling you what to buy and what to sell. The yields, so we have bond yields, bond yield matrix, and the global sovereign yield matrix. This is a 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, 20 year, and 30 year bond yields. The market, just global stock indices, gives you equity risk flows, fixed implications. So buy Aussie, buy Kiwi, buy USD JPY, and buy Euro Swiss franc. We have currency futures. So this is the currency futures section. We have options. We need to load the volatility dashboard for the options. And then we go back to the markets, we go to options, and then it's telling you the best, what call puts, put bias, call bias. We have commodities. So gold, silver, oil, Brent, natural gas, and copper. Then we have volatility, just showed you a minute ago, sensitivity, or sorry, sentiment. Now the platform will be updating for stocks, crypto, and futures and options. Well, just want to get this out. So it's telling you the retail sentiment contrarian indicator. So it's saying 71% of retail traders are long Euro JPY, contrarian long, bias long. Correlations. So this is the correlation heat map. And it's literally just telling you what to do here for hedging, for diversification, and for regime changes. So seasonality, you can pick your pair there that you want to look at. EuroCAD, loads of data for the EuroCAD, monthly stats. There's the gains over each month. Then the trade ideas. So what the AI does, reads all that data from all the macro indicators, commodities, volatility, sentiment, correlations, reads all that and comes up with trade ideas. You can hit AI analyze. So if anything changes in the macro approach, this here changes also. And it just explains the reason for the setup. Green means high, means very good. And yellow is medium. So probably want to always, if you're on a position trader, this can really help. And then the pair score at the end here. So if we go back to the start of that overview, if you don't understand the macro, you can literally just select that and it will show you the macro trades. You also have the short squeeze. So bull squeeze on the JPY and credit long on the USD. So it's just reading all the information and telling you where the market is. Next is the trading journal, proper professional trading journal. So we have the table approach here on the front. We have the calendar, so it tracks your profitable days from day one. You see so far since I launched the platform yesterday, it just tracks the demo account. You can select the account you want it to track, prop firm sim, MT5 live, and we'll put all that data up. For the minute, we have the platform signals. And the demo account. There we go, it's after 2 days. That's just automated. Send open positions so far. Gold and Euro USD. Journal coach. You have all your edge, your risk, performance metrics, tables, everything here. Everything that's in a professional journal. Most people pay $49 to $99 a month for this. It's all included in the Arcis AI system, or the performance tab. This is what it is doing. It is tracking every single signal pattern that the platform takes. It's recording the outcomes, the entries, so it's learning over time. This is the machine learning engine, so you never need to do anything with that. And coming soon is the algo builder, so I'm working on that at the minute. So that is the Arcis AI platform 2.0. Just clear chart and turn that off. Platform, pretty powerful. First full AI trading platform. Everything a trader needs to be successful, all in one place. And AI analyzes everything, comes up with setups, coaches you, all in one place. If you want to get access to a 14-day free pro trial, click the link in the description of the video, or just sign up. You have a free account forever with the basic features of the platform. Any questions, let me know. I will be doing more videos in the coming days of different types of features, live signals. So just want to get this video out here of the launch of Arcis 2.0. Click the link below, sign up, and I shall see you in another video very, very soon. Well.